Omron's F3SG-SR series Safety Light Curtain is their latest and most advanced light curtain for reducing installation and configuration times. This safety light curtain was designed to give customers the ultimate flexibility in their machine safety designs and to maximize their machine uptime using enhanced diagnostic features. This light curtain unit contains area beam indicators with 3 colors for assisting in light curtain alignment and for identifying if the light curtain face is dirty and requires cleaning. Light curtain programming and replacement programming times are reduced thanks to the use of Intelligent Tap, which stores and automatically uploads the program to the light curtain. Other features include an IP67G oil-proof rating and a minimum operating temperature of -30 degrees Celsius. Applications include cold storage warehouse, metalworking processes, harsh environments, and more.